In today's video, I'm going to show you how to choose between Notion and ClickUp, two hugely popular productivity apps, and I'm going to help you figure out which one is the right fit for your needs. Notion is a remarkably versatile workspace that's fantastic for organizing your thoughts, building databases, and creating detailed documentation. ClickUp is a powerhouse for project management, designed to help teams collaborate effectively and keep everything on track. Both apps offer a lot, but they cater to slightly different workflows, and understanding those differences is key to maximizing your productivity. If you find this helpful, please like and subscribe, and let's get started. Okay, let's jump right in and talk about the core differences between these two platforms. At its heart, Notion is primarily focused on documentation and knowledge management. Think of it as a digital workspace where you can build a robust company wiki, manage complex databases, and connect all your notes and ideas. ClickUp, on the other hand, has a much stronger emphasis on task and project management. It's built for teams to manage projects, track deadlines, and monitor workloads with incredible detail. It's important to recognize this fundamental distinction, as it affects almost every aspect of how you'll use each app. Now, let's get into the specifics. When it comes to the learning curve, Notion's generally considered to have a moderate learning curve. It's intuitive enough to pick up quickly, but mastering its flexibility and the various page layout options takes some time and effort. ClickUp, while still powerful, can feel a little overwhelming at first, especially due to the sheer number of features and customization options. Many users describe its learning curve as moderate to high, particularly when you start exploring the advanced automations and reporting capabilities. It's a worthwhile investment to put in the time though. Both platforms offer incredible value once you've gotten the hang of them. Let's talk about task management. Notion does offer task management functionality, and it's good, especially for simpler projects. However, ClickUp truly shines in this area. It provides excellent task tracking, prioritizing, assigning, and managing deadlines, and offers a level of granularity that Notion simply doesn't match. You'll find ClickUp's task management features far more robust and tailored to the demands of larger, more complex projects. Don't discount Notion's task management, but understand that ClickUp is the clear winner when it comes to dedicated project execution. Now let's look at document creation. Notion excels here. It's incredibly easy to create and format various types of documents, from simple notes and wikis to complex databases with related information. You can create beautifully designed documents with customizable templates, and it's a superb tool for anyone who relies heavily on written documentation. ClickUp's document creation capabilities are good, but they're not as polished or as flexible as Notion's. It's perfectly capable for creating project briefs and simple reports, but Notion remains the stronger choice for in-depth documentation. Moving on to databases, this is where Notion really shines. It's built from the ground up to be an incredible database tool. You can create complex relational databases, track inventory, manage customer data, and much more. ClickUp's database capabilities are more limited, offering lists and basic searchable tables. Notion's database features are simply far more powerful and adaptable to a wider range of use cases. Many people initially choose ClickUp for its task management, but quickly realize Notion's database functionality is a game changer. Let's consider automations. Notion's automations are currently basic to advanced, offering some workflow streamlining capabilities. ClickUp, however, boasts advanced automation features, allowing you to automate complex processes, create custom triggers, and integrate with other apps. This is a significant differentiator. If you need to automate a significant amount of your workflow, ClickUp's automation capabilities will undoubtedly be a major advantage. The power of automating repetitive tasks can save you considerable time and reduce the risk of errors. Now let's look at views. Notion offers standard views like tables, boards, calendars, and timelines, allowing you to visualize your information in various formats. ClickUp, on the other hand, provides a broader range of views, including lists, boards, calendars, Gantt charts, and workload views. This greater flexibility allows you to optimize your workflow, depending on your team's specific needs. If you struggle to visualize data effectively, ClickUp's range of views could be a major benefit. Time tracking is another vital difference. Notion has limited built-in time tracking capabilities, often relying on third-party integrations. ClickUp has a built-in time tracking feature, allowing you to accurately track the time spent on tasks and projects. This is crucial for billing clients accurately, analyzing project efficiency, and understanding how your team's time is being spent. So how do you choose? If you need a knowledge base or company wiki, or if you primarily work with notes, documents, and databases, Notion is probably the better choice. If you want highly flexible page layouts and you want to manage teams, deadlines, and workloads with incredible detail, ClickUp is the better option. Many teams actually use both together, Notion for documentation and ClickUp for execution. This hybrid approach can leverage the strengths of both platforms. Okay, let's recap. Notion excels as an all-in-one knowledge management and documentation platform, providing an incredibly flexible workspace for organizing your thoughts and building databases. ClickUp excels as a comprehensive project and task management platform, designed to help teams collaborate effectively and keep everything on track. Now, to help you build on what you've learned, I encourage you to take a trial of both platforms. Experiment with their features, build some sample databases or projects, and see which one truly resonates with your workflow. To help you remember these key differences, save this video for future reference and revisit these steps whenever you need a reminder. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.